Snapshot number one on how to look and sound great on video is your lighting. Your lighting is so important because if you think about people scrolling through, if you are not well lit or you don't look vibrant enough to stop, they're just going to scroll by. So the first thing I tell people to do is look for a window. Right now I'm facing a window. I'm also in the Caribbean, so it's beautiful, even light. So look for some beautiful, even light. And I'm looking out the window, not standing in front of the window. Yeah, the palm trees are nice, but you can't see them because I'm blown out, which means I'm in darkness and all you see is a bunch of blown out background. Don't do that. Now, if you don't have a window where you're like, oh, my background is terrible, then go ahead and get a ring light or some other additional lighting. And again, you want it about 12 inches from you, and you just want to make sure that you're evenly lit. Again, make sure that people can see you. That's it. See you next time.